a little body, a lot of energy. Hello everyone, I'm Cindy. Today I'm going to introduce a light 4WD truck to you. Iveco small 4WD truck. The exterior is mainly white, highlighting the simple design style. The overall size of this car is 4.88 meters times 2 meters times 2.28 meters. Adopting a 4-wheel drive system, equipped with a Sofim 110 horsepower engine, small in size but powerful. This small 4WD truck will boost 2.8 meters. Front axle 1.5 tons, rear axle 2.5 tons. Tires RT 255, 85R16. In addition, this truck has a double roll cab, providing you with a spacious and comfortable driving space. Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle is committed to providing global customers with easy-to-use, practical, and durable off-road special vehicles. If you are interested in our vehicles, please call for consultation. Bye-bye.